Welcome. This video looks at why smoke alarms are so important, where to place them, and the benefits of different types of alarms. Fire is fast. A house fire becomes unsurvivable within 3 minutes. Which means everything you do, or don't do, can make a difference. You are your own best firefighter, because you can prevent a fire from starting. Smoke alarms are the best way of surviving a house fire. In 80% of house fires we attend each year, smoke alarms were either not installed or not working. We recommend installing a smoke alarm in every bedroom, hallway, and living area. You may also choose to install a heat alarm in the kitchen, laundry, bathroom, or garage. We recommend long-life photoelectric smoke alarms. They are far more effective than ionization alarms at detecting slow smoldering fires, which burn for hours before bursting into flames. Better yet, choose a set of photoelectric smoke alarms that can be connected to each other via Bluetooth technology, or wiring together. If a fire is detected in one room of the house, interconnected alarms will trigger all the alarms in your home, so everyone will be alerted to a fire sooner. This is especially important in multi-story homes and homes with long hallways. If you're deaf or hard of hearing, there are specialized smoke alarm systems with features such as extra loud or lower pitch alarm sounds, flashing strobe lights, or vibrating devices. We can help with advice and installation of these devices. In summary, the more smoke alarms the better. We recommend one in every hallway and living area. Photoelectric smoke alarms with a 10-year long life battery are good at detecting smoldering fires. We have smoke alarms for deaf and hard of hearing, and can help you install them. Check out our next video on landlord and tenant responsibility of smoke alarms. For advice and information, call the Invercargill Fire Station. We will be happy to help you.